Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. Today we have prepared news about Hedera cryptocurrency. HBAR price analysis. Daily RSI chart signals a bullish divergence. On February 17, the Hedera, HBAR, price turned down from the combined resistance of $0.27 and falling trendline. The bear cycle plunged the coin by 25%, resisting the $0.2 monthly support. Furthermore, the coin price continued the sloppy consolidation in March, gradually narrowing within the range of descending triangle pattern. The bearish continuation pattern intensifies the supply pressure as the altcoin nosedive below the neckline. However, the daily RSI slope rallying with new higher lows suggests the rising bullish momentum. This positive divergence with respect to the last three swing lows in price action indicates the coin has a higher probability for a bullish breakout. If the buyers breach and sustain above the dynamic resistance TRENDLINE $0.22. The follow-up rally would drive the altcoin by 20% and the $0.268 mark. Anyhow, a genuine breakout from either of the end levels will determine the upcoming rally. Technical indicator: the declining simple averages, 50 and 100 days, maintain a bearish trend along with the resistance trend line. Moreover, the 50-day average line has crushed multiple bullish attempts resulting in the lower high formations. However, a potential reversal aiming for the trendline breakout will eventually reach the 100-day average, resulting in a 12.54% growth. Furthermore, an increased grip over the trend can help surpass the $0.25 and reach the 200-day average of $0.328. The daily volatile indicator shows the VI lines continue the bearish trend after avoiding the reversal crossover. However, the crossover at the 50 SMA breakout is plausible. So next news. HBAR Foundation pledges $100 to support DLT-based sustainability projects. BAR aims to address environmental woes. On March 10, distributed ledger business Hedera hashgraph launched the Sustainable Impact Fund, SIF, a non-profit philanthropic arm that aims to support the development of climate-friendly solutions inside the Hedera ecosystem. An open-source blockchain business named Dovu, based in Wales, will get $100 million in funding to continue developing publicly accessible tools, such as their audit trail, to validate carbon offset data. Dovu's carbon-focused market capitalization platform, a supporter of the Crypto Climate Agreement, gathers a wealth of real-time quantitative data on all Ethereum-based projects, tracks and openly publishes their carbon debt based on transaction outputs, and proposes token prohibition measures through investments in Dovu's original property, DOV. USDC and Tether, USDT, are the top two stablecoins in terms of cost to offset valuations, with $64,514,997 and $11,361,957. Technology company that specializes in decentralized finance-related services and products, which include lending, trading, staking, and derivatives on multi-chains. Parallel Finance is a leader in the development and innovation of DeFi for the adoption of the Web3 revolution and plans to bring DeFi to 1 billion people. So next news. The evidence in favor of Polkadot's price action being an outlier. Market uncertainty in Bitcoin's fall under the $40,000 level prompted DOT to slide beneath $24. In the week since then, Bitcoin has hauled itself back above the $40,000 to trade at $43,200 at press time. And yet, DOT saw no such reprieve. Moreover, the price fell beneath the previous lows of $15.88 to fall as far south as $14.5 before finding demand. This is more likely to be contrarian traders who saw an opportunity after the steep drop, rather than investors who see DOT to be in an area of value. The market structure, at press time, was bearish, and the previous lows appear to have been breached. $20.5 and $19 have rejected the price too. The RSI was unable to climb past the 56 mark, which has been a relatively important level in the past few months. Generally, a move above 55 to 60 on the RSI has heralded gains for DOT. Consistently being above this level would indicate a strong uptrend. Instead, the RSI has stayed under the neutral 50 level to denote a downtrend for the past 3 months. The awesome oscillator poked its nose above the zero line, but could be forced back under due to the rejection at $19. The OBV has been sliding south consistently. This is a sign that selling volume has steadily outmuscled buying volume in recent months. Conclusion for Polkadot: the sellers have consistently had the upper hand since December. It shed too much value when Bitcoin fell. And DOT has been unable to recover the value lost, even though Bitcoin saw a relief rally. This was in stark contrast to certain other altcoins in the market, which have rallied during days when Bitcoin traded sideways. The market structure for DOT continues to be bearish. In the next few weeks, a drop towards $14 and lower cannot be ruled out. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecast for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera,